When it comes to choosing the best electric scooter for kids, parents often find themselves balancing safety, performance, and fun. It's not just about speed or flashy lights. A good scooter should match a child's age, riding style, and confidence on the road. Today's market offers far more than simple toys. These are mini vehicles with smart controls, adjustable speed modes, and even advanced braking systems. In this video, we'll explore the most exciting models of 2025, from beginner-friendly scooters that focus on safety to high-performance options that can keep up with the growing energy of young riders. Buckle up, or rather grab your helmet, because the journey into the world of kids' e-scooters starts right now.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Segway Ninebot eKickScooter, a model that blends safety with fun in a way parents will appreciate and kids will love. It features a smart kick-to-start system, meaning the throttle only activates after a gentle push, so there are no sudden takeoffs that could scare young riders. With a top speed of just under 10 miles per hour and 3 riding modes, it adapts perfectly to different skill levels, whether your child is just learning or already confident on 2 wheels. The scooter can keep the fun going for up to 70 minutes of ride time, while colorful RGB lights add a touch of personality every kid will enjoy. Thanks to IPX4 water resistance, light rain won't stop the adventure, and solid tires handle uneven paths with ease. On the safety side, Segway equipped it with both a rear drum brake and a mechanical handbrake, making sure stopping power is always reliable. And with its UL 2272 safety certification, parents can rest easy knowing it's built to high standards.
Taking the 4th spot, we've got the Gyroor H30 Max, a scooter that mixes performance with pure kid-friendly fun. Under the deck, a 150-watt motor delivers smooth acceleration with 3 speed modes, letting young riders choose between gentle cruising or a bit more excitement. And even when the pace picks up, the dual braking system, electronic up front, and a classic foot brake at the back, make sure stopping always feels safe and controlled. The design is light enough for kids to carry, yet sturdy enough to handle growing riders. The adjustable handlebar means this scooter won't be outgrown too quickly, and the LED display adds a touch of grown-up tech that kids love. Add in the colorful deck lights and even a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and every ride turns into a moving light show with your favorite soundtrack. That's why the H30 Max is perfect for kids ready to move past their very first scooter. It's fun, stylish, and safe enough to give parents peace of mind.
Taking 3rd place, the Razor PowerCore E90 is the definition of proven formula done right. The secret sauce is Razor's hub motor. No chains, no belts, just quiet, clean torque that rolls on as soon as kids kick off and tap the throttle. Top speed sits in that sweet kid zone, and the rear-wheel drive keeps traction steady when sidewalks get dusty or slick. Razor sticks to a steel frame and fork for real-world durability, the kind that shrugs off tumbles, and pairs it with a flat-free rear tire so you're not dealing with punctures. Power comes from a 12-volt sealed battery, tuned more for endurance than bursts. Think about an hour of continuous riding in typical neighborhood use. The push-button throttle is simple enough for first-timers, while the glow deck lights turn twilight laps into a mini light show. Why it ranks number 3? Rock-solid reliability, low maintenance, and an ownership experience parents actually like. Charge, ride, repeat. It's not adjustable in height, and the battery is old-school lead-acid, but the overall value and track record are hard to beat. Best for kids 8+ who want a tough, no-drama scooter that just works. A perfect step up from a kick scooter without jumping into teen speeds.
Runner-up goes to the iScooter IK3/IK3 Pro, the smart utility knife of kids' e-scooters. You get the essentials dialed in. A smooth 150-watt hub motor with 3 sensible speed steps, a kick-to-start safety that prevents surprise launches, and a dual brake setup that combines electronic braking with a classic rear foot brake for predictable stops. Where it gets clever is in the day-to-day details. Magnetic charging snaps in cleanly, no wobbly ports, no cable wrestling, And the LED display keeps kids aware of speed and battery without hunting for tiny icons. The deck lighting isn't just showy, it boosts visibility at dusk. Range lands in the after-school loop zone, and the chassis is sturdy enough for growing riders. If you want longer fit flexibility, look at the IK3 Pro version. It adds 3 handlebar heights so the scooter grows with your kid. Real-world notes from owners: performance and value score high, but durability and QC can vary by unit, and there's no parental speed lock baked in. Keep that in mind for younger or more daring riders. Why it ranks number 2? Excellent everyday usability, magnetic charging, clear display, safe launch behavior, plus a price that undercuts many big names while still delivering a confident ride. The Pro's adjustable bar is the tiebreaker if you're choosing between siblings or planning for multiple seasons.
And at number 1, the spotlight goes to the Hiboy Q2 Lite, a scooter that completely rethinks what kid-friendly should mean. Instead of being just another stand-up ride, it adds a built-in seat, letting younger children cruise in comfort while still enjoying the thrill of electric power. The brushless motor may be modest on paper, but in practice, it delivers steady acceleration that feels safe, not scary. Parents can choose from 3 riding modes, each designed to gradually build a child's confidence. What really makes this scooter shine is the way Hiboy layers in everyday practicality. The puncture-proof tires handle playground surfaces and neighborhood sidewalks without drama. There's a rear basket, a surprisingly thoughtful touch, turning a quick ride into a little adventure, where kids can bring along toys, snacks, or even their favorite plush. And the lighting system is no gimmick. The headlight, neon side glow, and brake light work together to keep young riders visible long after the sun dips. It's not the lightest scooter out there, but the sturdy frame and ergonomic design make it feel planted and reassuring. Add in UL certification and Hiboy's reputation for safety, and you've got a scooter that earns its place at the very top of our list. The verdict? The Q2 Lite is more than just transport. It's a first taste of independence for kids, wrapped in a design that parents can actually trust.
So that wraps up our countdown of the best kids' electric scooters this year. From lightweight starter models to feature-packed rides with lights, seats, and smart safety tech, there's an option here for every young rider, whether they're just beginning or already racing around the block. What matters most is finding the scooter that matches your child's age, confidence, and riding style. Some shine with comfort, others with portability, and a few bring extra flair with lights or music. But every pick in this list proves that safe fun and a little bit of freedom can roll together on 2 wheels. Stay tuned for more expert rankings right here, and if you're curious about today's top scooters, check out the links below for full details.